मैं तेनू समझावां कि ना तेरे बिना लगदा जी।
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka. Today I'm gonna do a crisp, short and easy video. I'm gonna do this look inspired by Alia Bhatt. There's like no comparison between her and me, but yeah, I just tried to create a look. I was very, inspired to see this makeup that she has done, that you saw on the thumbnail. I really loved it and wanted to create it for you guys because A, it's super easy, 2, it's wearable, 3, it's apt for summers. So without any further chit chat, I'm going to show you how I created this look and you guys can create this look like this. So without any further chit chat, subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button down below and make sure to press the bell icon right next to it. Follow me on Instagram. Let's do not blabber any much and get into the video. To begin with the makeup look, I have already moisturized my face and taking the Blue Heaven primer. It's very important to use a primer because it really makes your base sit and last on your face for a long time. As you must have seen in the picture, Alia Bhatt's skin look very glowy. It looks very highlighted, and I'm gonna try to do the same thing on my face. Next up, I'm going to use a dewy foundation, which is the PAC HD Foundation. It's not very matte foundation, and I'm using the TS Cosmetics liquid highlighter. Taking 2 pumps of the foundation on the back of my hand. I've already applied my lip balm so that at least I have a well moisturized lip. Now I'm going to mix both of that, the foundation and the liquid highlighter. I've mixed the liquid highlighter so that I get a dewy base and it looks highlighted. My skin looks glowy, and that's the motive of that. Now I'm going to quickly apply the foundation using a foundation brush. Next up, I'm done with the foundation, and now I'm going to conceal my face using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. This is a very nice concealer and it has a bit of an orange tint which really helps me out to conceal out my dark spots and circles. So I'm going to apply it on top of my pimple spots and my eyes so that at least whatever discoloration or darkness I have going around my eyes, it gets corrected. So I'm quickly going to take a brush which can blend the concealer well. Blending the concealer. Next up, I'm going to set my face using the Lakme Sun Expert. I'm not going to dab a lot of powder on my face because that will make my base very matte and it will not shine. So that's the reason I put the the compact in a little quantity so that my base is also set and it does not even make my face look very matte. I'm going to fill in my eyebrows, and for that I've taken this Wet n Wild Kohl pencil. It's not an eyebrow pencil but does a very good job in filling up eyebrows. The shade is Pretty in Mink, and I see that her eyebrows are very brushed and it's looking kind of very bushy, hairy, but I don't have eyebrows as such, so I'll try to do as much as possible, but it's like very different, her brows and mine. So I'm going to quickly take a spoolie brush now and I'm going to quickly brush off my eyebrows, just trying to separate the hairs, like I'm just trying to quickly separate my eyebrow hairs. Next up, we are going to take the Makeup Revolution for Flawless Faux palette for our eyes. So I'm going to take a corally orangish shade from the palette. As I see, there is a tint of an orange coral color on her lids, and then I'm going to quickly put that color on my crease area, and then you can see further how I blend it out. Next up, I'm quickly going to apply a goldeny shade using my fingers in the inner corners, and before that I'm applying the coral shade under my lower lids to give it a coral shade. Now I'm going to take this golden shade from the palette, taking my fingers and quickly applying a little bit on my inner corners of the eyes, and I'm going to blend it out with a blending brush. basic idea of doing this is like giving a highlighted tint on my eyelids, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of that champagne shade on my brow bones to highlight it. Later on I'll highlight my brow bones with the highlighter that we use. Before that I'm using this Wet n Wild Kohl pencil in calling it buff. I'm doing this to just make sure that my eyes look bigger, and I see in the picture that her eyes are already like tight lined with the nude pencil, so I'm doing the same. And I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Kohl pencil in Pretty in Mink, and I'm going to tight line my upper lash line or my upper lid. This is what is tight lining, applying the kajal on the inner part of your eyelid. For the mascara, I have here the Bad Girl Bang Mascara. I don't know, I'm fumbling so much today. The Bad Girl Bang Mascara from Benefit. It's one of my favorite mascaras these days. The way it separates all of my lashes and the kind of volume and curl it gives, I am really a fan of this mascara. Next up, I'm going to take the Blue Heaven Diamond Blush in 503. As you guys know, it's a very corally, fresh, summer-inspired makeup. So a blush will really help me give that corally, pinky glow. Do not take a lot of blush and apply it on the apples of your cheeks. Just take it a little bit on your cheekbones, and it really looks nice when you pull it like that. Doing it on both the cheeks. I have not applied a full coverage foundation. Like, I have not applied a lot of foundation on my face because I wanted to keep it natural and not like tons of layers of foundation on my face. Next up we have the showstopper, that's the Wet n Wild Baked Blush in Don't Flutter Yourself. And this is the blush that's going to do the entire highlighting game. You can use any highlighter for this, but I'm using this baked blush because it's pink in shade. And it's a pinky highlighter kind of a shade, and it gives the desired glow that I wanted for this look. You can use any highlighter that you have, and that will do the job really well. Highlighting my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, everywhere. I'm just going to apply, and then my brow bones, as I told you, because that's a very highlighted look that she's wearing, and I loved it, and I'm trying to do it in the same way. Lips, I do not have an exact same color, but I'm using this Miss Claire lip cream in the shade 47. It's not a very pigmented lip cream, so that's the reason I wanted to use it, to keep it natural and make it look natural. That's how simple all of this makeup was. It's so simple, quick, easy. You can wear this look anywhere and everywhere you want. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Just have a look how everything is looking around. I just wore a neck piece. I didn't have anything like matching to her jewelry, but I just took out a neck piece to just complement the entire look. Always disturbing. So guys, that was a completed look. I hope you guys like it. If you like this kind of videos, let me know in the comment section below. I will create more of these celebrity inspired looks. I will try to do it as much as I can. I hope you liked today's video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Do let me know in the comment section how much did you like it. Lots of love and hugs and kisses. See ya.